Hey guys, welcome to the project of this section. And for this project, we're going to be calculating a person's BMI. So let me show you a quick demonstration of how this thing works. So let's run it in our terminal. So first off, when we run it, it prints a welcome message saying welcome to the BMI calculator, and then prints a divider using equal signs. Then it asks the user to enter their height in centimeters. So I'm going to do 100, and now it asks for us to enter our weight in pounds. And now I'm going to do 60. So our height is 100 centimeters and our weight is 60 pounds. So if I enter, then it prints our result, and then it prints your BMI is 27.2, which if you look that up on Google or any other BMI calculator, that is correct. So how are we going to do this? Well, to first do this, we are going to print a welcome message to the terminal, including the divider. So we're going to print this welcome message. And then after, we are going to print a divider using equal symbols. Then step 2, we're going to ask the user for their height in centimeters. So we're going to ask the user for their height right here, and we just want to put in parentheses cm standing for centimeters. And then the user can enter their height. And then for step 3, we're going to convert the height from centimeters to meters, because the height has to be converted into meters before we can actually use this formula down here. And then we're going to ask the user for their weight in pounds. Then we're going to convert the weight from pounds to kilograms, because kilograms is needed for the formula as well. Then we're going to calculate the BMI, which here's the formula to do that, which is weight divided by, and the weight has to be in kilograms, it cannot be in pounds. So it's weight in kilograms divided by height times height. And height times height is actually in parentheses, because if you remember, operators have precedence over one another, and division and multiplication have the same precedence. So to ensure that height times height is done first instead of weight divided by height, we're going to put these in parentheses to make sure that this operation right here is done first. And then of course, after we're finished the calculation, we're just going to print the result to the terminal. And by doing that, you're going to go print result, then another divider, then we're going to use some string concatenation, which we've already discussed and looked at. And you're going to concatenate your BMI is with the result of our BMI. So go ahead and try to solve this project right here. Before moving on to the next video, take your time. If you need to, go back into the previous videos and go see how to do certain things, and we'll solve this in the next video.